Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are group 3 and today we are going to show you what's really inside the computer and how it works. Okay, before we move to the next slide, let me introduce our group members. First, Mutiara Zahra Rustanto, Baru Jami Siregar, Roman Yoga Dika, Ningsia Yuaprani, and lastly Abdillah. That's all from our team, and now let's move on to the next slide. What is inside a computer? Inside a computer refers to all the internal components that make a computer work. This component process data, store information, and allow user to interact with the system. Main function like processing data, storing information, running programs, and connecting hardware and software. Next, main internal components. A computer consists of several key parts: motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, power supply unit or PSU, and graphics processing unit. Each component has a specific role in the system.
Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It connects all components together. Function allow communication between component, hold CPU, RAM, and expansion slot. Provide port for external device. CPU Central Processing Unit. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Function processes instruction, perform calculation, control system operation. The faster the CPU, the better the computer performance.
RAM, random access memory. RAM is temporary memory used while the computer is running. Function, stores data for active program, speed up system performance. Note, data in RAM is lost when the computer is turned off. Next, storage, hard disk or solid state drive. Storage is used to save data from energy type. HDD, hard disk drive, large capacity, slower speed. SSD, solid state drive, faster and more reliable, and used to store operating system, application, and file. Next.
Power supply. The power supply supplies power to all components. Function, convert electricity from outlet, distributes power to internal parts. Without power supply, the computer cannot operate. GPU, Graphic Processing Unit. The GPU handles visual output. Function, renders image and video. Support gaming and design software. Some computers have integrated GPU, others use the dedicated GPU.
How components work together. All components work as a system. CPU processes data, RAM holds temporary data, storage saves files, motherboard connects everything, PSU powers the system. This teamwork allows the computer to function efficiently. The conclusion, a computer is a system of internal components that work together to process data. Each component has its own role, such as the CPU, RAM, and storage. All parts are connected through the motherboard and powered by the PSU. Together, they enable the computer to run programs efficiently.
Alright, that's all for our presentation today. We hope you can understand about what is inside a computer and how it works. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.